10. Sorry. $50.5. Let's go. I mean, Zem could get a 34 today, but that's not very likely. Considering it took me a month to beat my 36-31. Zem can roll back on like a day with non-stop gameplay. $127. That could have been the 126 if I didn't, you know. If I could charge faster, maybe I would have gotten it. Or if I walked immediately, I don't know. The point is, I'm still trying to get myself a one, whatever. $216, a 49. Sweet, 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 sweet. I mean, with Zem's time, that would have been a 213. If so, wow. I'm gonna get a 257, which I've gotten before. Not yet, mind. Not yet. Gotten 257 before, so that's not really anything new for me. I've only gotten it once before, though. Didn't get the bounce strat though, which kind of sucks, but it's still not a big deal. $329. This might be the sub 4. $359.5. Yes, it was. The title mind is a math equation. I got a new PB, which was pretty good for the most part, except I lost 50 seconds in Holstein and Motoridia. So the equation is, if I get the same as my new PB pretty much, but I don't mess up Polestar, and RNG doesn't mess me up, because it was more than just the RNG. Oh, I actually made the jump. But I had to grab onto that ledge, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. Nothing too major. I've got a 450. Oh my god, that was close. Hi there, Ratchet number. How's it going, man? Oh my god! 5:52! Or, in Zem's timing, a sub 5:50! Boom! Yes! Boom! 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 Yes, that was a good dax. Let's hope that I get my clip. My clip can go horribly wrong. That's just a warning. I practiced it quite a bit, to the point where I optimized it, because it wasn't really optimized in my highlight. Oh my god, I missed it, but that's okay. $6:32.5. I lost maybe 5 seconds from missing the skip, but I'm still ahead of my PB, so that's okay. I'm doing pretty decently today. And the good thing about my clip is that it doesn't kill you. That was a 7:19.5. And that 5:52 is the legendary sub 5:50, technically. Oh my god, this is bad. Well, the music time is still the same, so can't be losing time. I am perfectly capable of a world record at the moment. That kind of sucks. $10.14.5. That was kind of a bad Blackwater, but I'm okay. I wonder what Mr. Noise looks like. I can't wait to see Mr. Noise. Oh yeah, and I found that thing in my PB. My movement there was a bit sketchy, but it's fine. It's all about getting a good early game. And then making sure that you get a good late game as well. Still. That mission didn't go anything like I expected it to. Oh my god, I didn't kill him in one shot? That's bad. He still spawns just as fast though. So I guess it's not a deal breaker. But it's still an annoyance. By the way, FS10 said boom. Not boom. I didn't kill the guy, which isn't the worst thing in the world, but it's still kind of annoying. It's still going to be an annoyance near the end when he starts shooting me. He's not going to kill me. Yeah, that's just you. I'm probably around 2 seconds at my PB now. I was only saying mind. I'm not a pervert. So why would I say PB? That's bad I just did. FS10. There's a bot here. Wait, I just paused. That was stupid. I don't know how many frames that costs, but it's definitely not worth a second. You actually succeeded to ban a bot without banning someone. The outpost level. Which level's the outpost level? If you're talking about the laser challenge, then we kinda do. We use a technique called Ghost Ratchet, where we make the game think that Ratchet's dead, but he's not. And what that does is it lets us go through walls, which is pretty broken. I don't know if that's the level you're talking about. If it is, then cool. I'm going to tell you the planets that we completely skip, as in we don't even enter them. We skip Aquatos, we skip Tyrannosis, and we also skip Iridia. We skip the V-Comics as well. Oh, you mean Iridia? Yes, we skip Iridia completely. We go We don't go to Iridia in any percent all new game paths. We go in all titanium bolts because there are, of course, titanium bolts in Iridia. We only do like the first 2 missions, then we get bolts on the 3rd mission. And we go to it in 100% for obvious reasons. And we also go there in all missions. That's if you want to admit that all missions is a thing. Wait, are there any 100% runs for Rack 1? I don't think there are. Oh my god, turn camera. That was kind of annoying. That was slow, but it was fine. $7.06. The robot disguise? No, the trespasser is the thing that you use for the puzzles. We also skip the robot thing. I don't think you get the robot thing until Lego 3. Hologeist. That thing. We skipped and I didn't mean to jump. $8.13.5. I don't use the Hologeist anymore either. We don't really have the patience for Rack 1. Rack 1's a good game, it's just not that fun. At least in my opinion. There was a reason why I didn't really play any Ratchet game when I was a kid, because I didn't really like Ratchet 1. I've grown to enjoy it a little bit more, but it's still not my favourite game in the world. That would have to go to Rack 2. Two is definitely my favourite. I love 2. 3's kind of overrated. I mean, 3 is still great, but it is kind of overrated. In some ways, it feels like a downgrade to the second game, as in it's a lot more linear. That's one thing that was downgraded. And it's definitely shorter as well. Oh my god, why was that only a one shot? What? $2.13.5. I'm only 1 second ahead of my PB, but if I don't mess up Polisar, and if I get a good RNG, I can be 50 seconds ahead. Yeah, that's one cool thing about Rack 3. Wait, what do you want me to highlight, FS10? And the Hologeist glitch to get in the racetrack early in Rack 1? It's completely pointless. You can just SI off a tree to get there early anyway. And that's as soon as you get there. You don't have to wait the entire game to go back. As in, you can literally get the Rhino on your first visit to Blackwater. Well, I do wonder. Oh my god, Scrunch. I had to put the banana on there. Really bad Scrunch level. A really bad Scrunch section. Terrible RNG. And now I'm going to be behind my PB. Although I can still make up all the time. I lost 10 seconds to bad RNG. But this is where the time save can begin. Get back there! Oh my god, I stood on the tanks. That was bad. Other than that, the fight was fine. I saved 30 seconds. The 10 seconds I lost was made up for the 30 seconds I gained. Or the 30-ish seconds. Let's hope I don't lose a run here again. Okay, please. Yes! I know I said 23, 27 and a half. I know I said I could save 50 seconds. I thought it was 50 seconds. But I'm confused now. Wait, did I only get one loading screen? What? Oh my god, I did! I've never seen that happen before. Okay, I must get this clip. I got it in my PB. It was a bit weird when I got it in my PB, but I need to get it. Oh my god. Please! Okay, I got through. I did lose, like, maybe 5 seconds from bonking, but that's okay. I got a bad... Where is it? Zeldrin in my PB. 25-17 and a half. I got a bad clip. But really, after getting one loading screen, I didn't really lose that much time. I didn't really lose anything. game is so unpredictable. I'm behind world record, but how far behind I am will depend on how I do here. Oh my god! Okay, I got 48. I did save a little bit of time here. 26:06. I'm 10 seconds behind world record. Or roughly around 10. I think I can still world record, but we'll see. Oh my, I lost RIP world record. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I don't know if a 35 is still possible though. It's not your fault, Peter X. Or Pete. It's my fault. Oh my, get out of my way. That was dumb. The 35 might still be possible, but I don't know at the moment. $28.40 and a half. That was kind of dumb, but whatevs. Oh my god, I landed. That's kind of dumb as well. Oh my, I grabbed the ledge. Not the end of the world, sure. But it's still kind of annoying. Oh my god, I thought I wasn't going to make that for a minute. $30 flat. I am behind my PB. Like 20 seconds. Although I can easily save that time from not going to Iridia. That jump is, well, by doing a whip jump, it's a very long jump, yes. And it's very scary. Okay, got that. Ooh. 31-21. Then again, I can always fail Chorus or Command Center. I should have activated this later. Oh my god, I bonked. Bonking is never fun. I don't think I can 35. Maybe not. I don't know. $33.11 and a half. Okay, gotta pay attention. I can easily lose my run here. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. That was a mistake though. I'm gonna try the risky strats. I've got the risky strats. That's probably the first time I got them in a run. Oh my god, I bonked! Okay, I made it. Okay, 34-31. I can get a low 36. I'm going to talk a bit more to them when I, finish this run. Ow. Place the turrets, place the turrets. Okay, must not get the Nefari switch. I am not getting the Nefari switch. I always shoot a few extra just in case I get the Nefari switch. I didn't get the Nefari switch. Place the turrets, place the turrets! I'm not getting a RIP 35. Okay, keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. $36.15. Well, at least I bopped IN's online PB. I need to tell them something as well about the Dax thing. I mean the Barney Draco thing. Overall, the run was mostly good. My major mistake was entering V Comic 4. And there were other bad bits, but overall it was completely good. I'm happy about that. So, yay. Time to get that 35. And